If someone handed you these numbers and said, put them in order, where would you start? Let's find out. Ascending means smallest to largest. Convert to decimals, then line them up: 0, 0.25, 0.4, 0.5. For the set -1 less than x less than or equal to 3, use an open circle at -1 and a closed circle at 3. Common mistake. Students use a closed circle for less than. Remember, closed means equal to, open means not equal to. Memory trick. Closed circle, colored in, can equal the value. Open circle, oh no, not equal. You'll never forget. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.